Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a job you would not like to do in the future. You should say what is the job, how you heard about it, why you don't want to do it, and how you feel about the job. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. There are various career options available these days that one can choose based on their preferences, skill set, and monetary returns. And today, I would like to speak about the profession of being a doctor, which is not my cup of tea and I would not like to pursue in the future. So we have given a little bit of an introduction where we are just emphasizing about the factors that one actually takes into consideration when choosing a job. So obviously when you are choosing a job, you take care of your choices. That means your preferences, what you like or what you dislike, right? Also it depends a lot upon your skill set or abilities. And also you take into consideration monetary returns. That means how much you would be earning from that job, right? So that's what we are trying to say here. Now, we have also used an idiom here which is not my cup of tea, which means to not like something or not be interested in something. Pursue means to do or to undertake. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I know about this job from my childhood as my uncle is a general physician and I used to visit his clinic whenever I suffered from cold, headaches, and other health issues. Furthermore, the demanding nature of the job, including long work hours, emergency situations, and challenging decisions, make this field of work quite stressful and therefore I would not want to undertake the same in times ahead. So we have started answering the third question, which is why you don't want to do it. So here we are just telling that being a doctor involves long work hours. Obviously, if you know anyone who belongs to this field, you know that there are no holidays or weekends. Doctors are supposed to be working every day of the week and also they have no fixed timings, right? Because they are called up late at night also for emergency situations. So it makes the job very stressful, okay? So that's what we are trying to tell here. Besides that, the process of becoming a doctor entails a lengthy and expensive education, which is also something that makes me avoid the medical field. So entails means to involve. So being a doctor, especially in India, is a very long short process, right? You need to clear the entrance test and then you have a 5-year work course. After that, you also need to practice in the same field, which again involves 3 to 5 years. So, a total of 10 years you have to devote to this field. And also, getting admission into a medical college is very expensive and involves a lot of money. So, not everyone who wants to just become a doctor can be a doctor, right? They also need to have that finances. So, that's what we are trying to tell you. Additionally, treating critically ill patients may also contribute to stress and personal health problems, which is another factor that makes me shy away from this kind of work. So, shy away from this kind of work means that you do not want to do this work. So, we saw this during COVID-19 pandemic that doctors who were treating patients, some of them even died. Why? Because the virus spread to them while they were treating such patients. So there is a health risk also involved in pursuing this field. So that's what we are trying to tell here in this last point here. Alright, so we have answered the first three questions. The last question, which is how you feel about the job, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel that healthcare field is quite fast paced as well as pressurizing, which eventually could take an emotional toll, cause mental health issues and social isolation, compromising both personal and professional spheres of life. So social isolation means when you're not active socially and you are not participating in social events. So obviously the life of a doctor is quite busy, right? They do not have time to attend personal events or occasions, and they have to miss out on very important occasions also, like maybe birthdays or anniversaries of close ones. So all this affects their mental well-being. So that's what we are trying to tell here. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.